up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! We're going to take a look at the Maximus 4.0 today. I've been using this a little bit off and on. We got a, what is this, 2006? 2008 Pontiac G6. It's got some casualties here and there. What's the symptoms we got? Customer states, runs like crap, throwing check engine lights, and smells like antifreeze. But anyways, we're going to take a look using the Maximus. We're going to check some codes here and just do, if it wants to stay on for us, unlock it, go into the max diag. We're going to see how fast this thing runs and off a real car, because compared to my launch, the launch is pretty fast, but this should be just as fast. So we're going to look. We're going to go. What's going on here? Why did it do that? We're going to go right into probably GM. Probably have to go into. I doubt they have a Pontiac in here. Yeah, we're going to GM. Well, let's see. Let's actually see if it does. Bin scan. We're going to connect to the BCI and we'll see if it reads the bin. Sorry. Normally that's what I would do. Just read the bin. Use the BCI connecting. Oh, we're reading bin. Decode the bin. See how fast this process goes through. Cool. We'll go diagnostics. Check this bad boy out. See what we got going on here. Okay. System configuration. 232,094 miles. Is that what you have? And we have air conditioning. We have automatic heat. Look at this. Let's do a health report. The topographical on this is really nice. I like this, like the Altel. I actually like the color coding on this. And if you guys don't know about this, if you're colorblind, the color inversion on this is really nice. We'll look at that a little bit later. 7 ECM codes. Woo! No TCM, 1 BCM, not the big deal. HVAC, we got 1 HVAC. IPC, PPS. Ooh. This thing's got, oh! We got all sorts of codes coming in. Pretty quick, though. So we're not going to worry about a lot of this. We're going to worry about this ECM. Ooh, EBCCM. Let's check this right here. We got a cooling fan relay. We know that. Do you have the mass airflow sensor unplugged on this?
It was.
Open the hood on this real quick.
No, I actually hooked it.
All right, so let's look at it. Let's get that one knocked out of the way. Come on. All right, so we got cold start, idle, IAC control system performance, cooling fan. So we know it's got a cooling fan. We know we have a bad cooling fan in this. So we're just checking this. Vehicle speed sensor circuit. Code assist on this, all right. I like this right here that it comes up, because I can go back to the topographical. And then we can go over here. We got a right rear wheel speed sensor circuit. And we got a system disabled, information stored in valuable serial data. Huh. That's interesting. Let's go up here to the BCM. Hood ajar circuit. We do have the hood pop, so that's pretty cool. Let's look at the HVAC. Device power 1 circuit. No big deal. Passenger presence system, plausible failure. And the SIR, passenger presence system, invaluable serial, lost connection. So, the radios, obviously, these are pretty much because somebody's taking the stereo out of it, control module power. But let's go on the ECM here. Let's just go back to ECM real quick, and let's look at, see if we can look at live data. See what the code assist does, I guess, first. Cooling fan relay code and definition. All right, cool. Let's go back. Let's go in and do some live data. Then let's see if we can go system list. And let's go into engine control. And let's go read system data. Alright, so this is just going to show us everything that's on that code. Heated oxygen sensor, ignition data, misfire data. Pretty cool. Go ahead and start it up once, will you? Let's look at misfire data. Doesn't sound like it's missing too much. How hot is it?
Still on the first bar.
So look at the mass airflow. See if we got any misfires. And then we can do a graph on it, obviously. Rev it up a little bit. Pretty cool. I don't mind the color graphing on this. So the mass airflow is rev it up just a little bit, not much. So we do got mass airflow sensor. So not sure what that circuit must be coming on intermittently because of the. Yeah, go ahead and kill it. Yeah. So, like I said, we can look at the misfire data on this. It looks like we have available all PIDs that we normally look at. I'm gonna go through this a little more. We're gonna look through this a little more and talk about a little more. Actuation test, service bay output, engine, throttle blade control. Turn ignition off. Turn ignition on. Don't run it. Okay, turn it on. Let's do throttle blade control. I bet we can do a actuation test on this. We have a lot of you have a lot of bidirectional controls with this. Okay, so let's command this increase. Oh yeah, I can hear it clicking. So pretty simple test. That's nothing really crazy. But let's look at some more bidirectional. Let's look at special functions here. We got oil life set, idle learn reset. We're not going to do that. Let's go back to module information. That's pretty basic. Let's see here. Let's see what other system list we got here. We can print the session, compare results. We can go through and clear the OBD or clear the codes, obviously. Let's see here, theft deterrent module. Let's look at the body control module. Oh, actually, let's go back to the ECM again. System list. Let's go back to engine control and let's see what. I guess that was all the service bay test. Fuel system. That's going to be an important one. Fuel trim. Enable power balance, power cylinder balance. This is pretty cool. Okay, start the engine. So we can check all of our, you hear the change in the pitch of the motor. We can disable and check all of our injectors. So we know we're getting all of our, we know that we're getting all of our injectors working. Check all of the injectors. Pretty cool. Let's go back here. We'll check all of them real quick while we're in here. Seems like we got good injector pulse width. So that's pretty cool. That was not what I was hoping for. We can add it. Misfire data. Lots and lots of options on here, guys. I really like this. Go ahead and shut it off. We're getting our charging up here. You've seen it's got a 14.22 volts. A lot of options on here. I like the screen a lot better than I do the Alto. I gotta say, it's a lot less plain Jane. We got a system scan, so we can select our systems. We're gonna do more on this.